county yo kubwaterana nekyombe kya M-Pesa Foundation nigo ritukoria rero babeka rigena ryoboroso ryokwagacha nyagitari yabangina nabana ime ya nyamusi ase shilingi milioni 50 na nemo
nigo barachie kwagacha enyagitari yo ase emetinyi 5 noyomo egocha ekerekyo nigo siasa chobwakera ekokomo governor Amos Nyaribo chabachiko betainse ase ward yo yabokeira imeye bunge ya North Mugrango
igati yabande baikirana ngamono mo speaker we bunge county Nyamira Moske Thadias Nyabaro igati yaba MCA haba waziri negati yabara ibande Morikito Steven Nyariki no roboti ura senchira baikirana
Chingia somo gabana tubete biriria tabangina
enyagitari ne ya nyamusi ewodi ne ya bokeira ebunge ya North Mugrango ime Nyamira ase omuyega orenge no mochengo ase ogosiori arigena ryobwagachi ryo nyagitari ya nyamusi yabangina nabana
tukaandika proposal nao kwa moyo yao mzuri wakakubali. Sasa tumeanza hii mradi ambayo itachukua 6 months.
We are here in Nyamira with this facility. When we look at the catchment area around here, it's about 21,000 women who don't have a facility, would not have a comprehensive facility to give birth. And as we have heard, giving birth should be a celebration.
We should be at 0 deaths. Because childbirth is not supposed to be a death sentence. Childbirth is actually supposed to be a celebration. So part of what we are doing here with this maternal, neonatal and child health unit is to provide the first thing that leads to death, access to comprehensive care.
I often believe that it's going to go a long way in improving service delivery, and especially for our mothers and children.
Ubwatani obubwe kishilingi milioni 50 nomo nze yesiro ya M-Pesa Foundation gochiae county ya Nyamira nigobora chego konya sobwagachi gwe nyagitari yekerero yabangina nabana asera tware ensemo yo kuiborera ensemo yo bari nabo igo chiwodi chokobeka barwaire.
Vile mnajua leo tumeweka foundation stone kwa mradi ambayo imekuwa sponsored na M-Pesa Foundation. Wametoa milioni 60 kujenga hii mradi kwa miezi 6.
So we hope that in 6 months, when we open this facility, it's going to be a facility with with everything in place.
Agokwana kerekyo inse yo mugabano Nyamira Moske Amos Nyaribo nigerera obuya bwabekirwene county okinya kinyagitari ao iliyo komenta chinguru asobokoreri.
Nilisema tulifanya moja Kerenyo, tulifanya moja ambayo itashinduliwa karibuni huko Igenaitambe, tulifanya moja huko Keroka, na ingine tutafanya. Tumepata mtu wa kusaidia kutoa pesa ya kufanya huko Mokomoni.
Gati ya barayi baikirana roro nigo bakireko ko mugabano Nyamira asebasa bamenyiko mwase ntunda ya kabiri.
Two term to His Excellency the Governor.
Naende tingerusia maisha so mupira ulingwaka anda upa njo mwanangu ya chama ya upa naene atoja uteni matiangi atendero president Nyaribo
Istrinero iga bantu bakabaire bekerenyo kurwana barenge bamererani guru ya amagendera yamusi lakini rero baraitoro etuiwanaini kiria ekwanyoriro ko abantu bamintu bae
siasa chobochorio boke bwechiwodi cha ekerenyo Nyamayana Nyansionko boigoni go cha betanse
oyonere toja kumeka sake ekerenyo karibu
Steven Nyariki Mbonde Ensoko TV North Mogrank, kaunti ya Nyamira.